boat's ready, kit's here, got our Red Bull. Yeah, can't wait to get out there.
Yeah, just lucky. The water's dropped a hell of a lot since last week, so it's going to be different. Kind of all the tripping advantage we had is kind of gone, but luckily I've done this section enough times, we know where to go.
How are you feeling for today? Yeah, no, lucky. It's going to be a lot lower than last week, but it's going to be fun. Fantastic. Yeah, fantastic.
broken.
It was okay, swim, but...
Where'd you swim?
Off the bridge. Yeah, just off the bridge.
Yeah, we had a good day. Paddled with my dad. So very just nice steady day, no swims or no mistakes, I don't think, and very happy.
Yeah, we're in a good position, but we still got lots of work to do today. At least it's a shorter day, but yeah, we're hoping to pick up as many places. We'll see. We're gonna just race smart, take it as it comes. We know there's a portage that always mixes stuff up, so just gotta paddle.
South African River K2 champions, champions of the Breede River Marathon for 2014. Here they are.